Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? It's your ma'am Sara Ansari. And from today, we are going to learn all English alphabets, mommy and baby. Okay, so we learn to read, to write, and recognize and associate every letter with different pictures, with different objects. Okay, so today is our first lesson. Let's start. What is our first letter? Hey, hey, who are you? I am Mommy A. Have you seen my baby? No, Mommy A, I didn't see. Baby A. Mommy, I'm here. Baby A, where were you? The kids are waiting for us. They want to learn the first English alphabet. The first English alphabet is A. A. I am Mommy A and I am Baby A. Let's start our poem. A is for apple. Apple. A is for apple. Apple. Sing with me. A is for apple. Apple. Now, A is for alligator. Alligator. A is for alligator. Alligator. Say louder. A is for alligator. Alligator. A is for arrow. Arrow. A is for arrow. Arrow. A is for arrow. Arrow. A is for ant. Ant. A is for ant. Ant. Say with me. A is for ant. Ant. It's time to learn how to write Mommy and Baby A. First, start with tracing. How can we trace? Put the pencil on the top. Come down in slants. Slow, slow, slow. Then again put the pencil at the top. Come down. Yes, yes, yes. And then join both the lines. You did it. See again. Put the pencil on the dot. Come down in slant. Come down. Then again put the pencil at the top. Come down in opposite direction. Then join both the lines. You can do it easily. Okay? Just put the pencil on the top. Then come down again and then join them. Now let's learn how to write Baby A. Make a curve. Go up and come down. See again. Make a curve. Go up and come down. You can do it. It's so easy. Now do it with your finger. Put your finger at the top. Come down and slant. Again put your finger at the top and come down and make slant line. Then join both the lines. Start making Baby A. Make a curve. Go up. Come down. Again, make a curve. Go up and come down. You can do it. You are amazing. Wow. Can you do it? Can you associate the object with letter A? Yes? Now tell me, a tree? No. And. Yes. A is for ball. A ball. No. is for arrow. Yes, yes, arrow. Alligator. Yes, yes. A is for cake. A is for cake. No, you're right. A is for apple. Yes, is for apple. Students, see, there are some worksheets that you have to solve. In your first worksheet, you have to color only those pictures that start with letter A. Okay, so just read like this. A apple. Yes, you can color it. A candle. A candle. No, so we are not going to color it. Now see, a car. A car. No, don't color it. Let's see. Ant. Yes, we will color this. A flower. No, no, no. Arrow. Yes. A is for mango. No, no, no. Don't color mango. Airplane. Yes. Alligator. A is for alligator. Yes, yes, yes. See, there is another worksheet in which apple is drawn. You have to color apple. And during your color, you have to move your hand slowly, okay? And just say louder, apple, apple. Then you have to trace mommy and baby A. We have already learned it. In next worksheet, we have to write. First, we have to color the alligator and then we have to write mommy and baby A. You know this? How can we write mommy A and baby A? Yes, you did the practice. I can tell you again. Put the pencil on the top, come down and slant. Again, put the pencil at the top, come down and slant and join both the lines. See again. Put the pencil on the top, come down. Again, make the slant line and join both the lines. It's time to learn writing baby A. Put the pencil on the dot, make a curve, go up, come down. Put the pencil on the dot, make a curve, go up and come down. So you have to practice to write it neatly. It's so easy. You just have to put sharp pencil and hold it tightly and then make slowly mommy and baby A. Here is another activity for you. See, you have to circle mommy A with pink color. Yes, circle it. And baby A with blue color. Let me find blue color for you. Here it is. Circle the baby A with blue color. Now search and circle all of them. There is another activity. You have to write beginning sound of each picture. Apple, ant, aeroplane, and arrow. Thank you for watching. We'll meet again soon, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.